What are you doing, Maze? Okay, you gotta tip the bottle up. You have to tip the bottle upside down. Hold it up. Okay, go give another one. Go find another one. Go find another one.
Are you done?
Do the bigger ones. The little babies, I think, are full. Find the bigger one if you can. Look, he's sleeping. That one. He's so sleepy. Okay, hold the bottle up.
Some of these are pretty full.
Give him some more.
I'm finding a different girl.
Go ahead. Here, hold it on Gigi. I'll try to feed him. Can you get a picture of me doing it?
There, but don't feed him all of it, okay?
Okay, look. Come here, guy. Oh, you don't like me at all. I know it. Melissa. Hey, hold it up. Look at it. It's a video. Don't be jerking around or make people sick. Come here, did you want one? Come on, baby. Come on. They're full. Did you get Gigi?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Mason, what are you doing? Okay, that's it. I'm finished with the day for the pictures.